Hello students, good afternoon. I, Miss Kavalpreet Korpuri, welcome you to my YouTube channel, and if you have till date not subscribed to my channel, I request you all to like, watch and share my channel. So today I'll be discussing about data interpretation unit 7 of paper 1. Those who are new to my channel, please note that I have uploaded videos related to the paper 1 syllabus discussion and discussed in brief the 6 units of paper 1. So let's understand what is data interpretation. This type of questions are very much common in competitive examination. So you have either table, graphs, pie diagram, which consist of various types of data. It can be related to the income of the company, expenditure on various items, and marks of applicants, and so on. The level of questions can be very easy or sometimes very tricky depending on the given data and the way questions are framed. So when I've highlighted questions are framed, it means we need to understand the language and the given data. Okay, so this is always my suggestion. We all know this type of questions are generally 5 in the examination. As per the note of the UGC, we will be getting 10 marks from each unit. So I definite and I'm very much sure that we are going to get 5 questions related to this unit. And with preparation and practice and more practice for this unit, we can get easily 10 marks. And I always advise that there are certain questions in each and every unit with common sense, tricks, and presence of mind. Sometimes, even if we are not knowing the answer, we can find out the correct option. Okay, for data interpretation, you can refer any book, you can refer any content which allows you to give more practice, and more practice. Now, let's understand the syllabus. Although we are expecting a table or a chart or something related to data interpretation, but this is generally the syllabus given by the NetSet and with reference to this unit. So let's understand first what is data. Information in any raw or unorganized form such as alphabets, numbers or symbols that refer to or represent conditions, ideas or objects is called as information, and it is data. Okay, so what are the sources of data? Data can be generally collected. That is what is data acquisition about. You are gathering and measuring information or targeted or desired variables. Okay, so which are the sources of data? It is generally primary and secondary. The information which is collected by the researcher himself, it is called as primary data, and those available from anywhere, example books or journals or reports, that becomes the secondary data. Then we have questions on classification of data. So what is qualitative and quantitative? Qualitative is something basically describing in nature, and it becomes a little bit difficult to analyze. Example, appearance or taste or texture. For this, we can collect through methods of observation or interview. What is quantitative data? This is something which deals with quantity or numbers. Example, height, weight, and volume. Such type of questions are also asked in the research topic. Okay, so whether they ask us in unit 7 or in unit 2, that is research aptitude, we are supposed to study. Then we have graphical representation. There was a time when they used to ask questions, really theoretical questions on what is bar chart or what is the definition of histogram, or one question is given and they ask you to that mention whether it is bar chart or histograms. Then some theoretical questions related to the pie chart, table chart and line chart. And just in the recent attempt, they are not asking questions related to it, but whenever we study this topic, this becomes the basic. Now, what is data mapping? It is defined as the relationship between two data systems. Data mapping connects two different types of data models together. So under that, whenever you read content related to it, you may find something related to data migration or data integration or data mapping software. And then finally, we have data governance. So what is data governance? It is a 4-way framework comprising availability, applicability, integrity, and security. We may have questions on what is the importance of data governance, which are the tools of data governance. Okay, so this can be even a part of ICT syllabus. So in short, irrespective of such type of questions or syllabus, I am sure, for sure, getting questions in paper one. Okay, and generally we have data interpretation, and for data interpretation, there is only one trick, that is you should know how to calculate, you should understand the language of the question, and you need to practice and practice. Okay, what happens from amongst the 5 questions, not all questions may require calculation of the all the years data given to you. Sometimes the data is given for 7 to 8 years. Okay, but remember, for each and every question we have only 4 options. Okay, 2 questions can be solved very easily by common sense, presence of mind, and observation. But yes, they are very time consuming, so whenever you sit and study, okay, you please practice without the calculator, and you analyze that how much time you are giving to this 10 marks questions. Okay, so it should not happen that you love this concept, you love this calculation, or you love this unit so much, and you are so much confirmed that you will get 10 marks, that you are giving at least 20 minutes to this question. For this, you need to practice, you should understand the tricks. And suppose one question is on calculation of the entire data table or for all the 10 years, then you may skip that question, because what you are going to lose is one question, 2 marks. And I always say you can compensate this 2 marks, one question, with another topic of the paper. Okay, so I hope so, you all are studying, and please keep practicing for such practical questions. You need definite practice, and with respect to theoretical, we need to read a lot. And as in India today we are celebrating Nariyal Purnima and Raksha Bandhan, I wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan, and keep studying, be safe at home, all the best. See you soon again. If you are watching my videos, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.